Hello students, we will start with the topics interest on partner's loan. Students remember interest on loan as it is written is to be 6% in case the question is silent. So nature of interest is it's a charge against profit and to be allowed whether there are profits or not, that is even in the case of losses it is to be provided. Next, just look at the accounting treatment. Remember, it is to be debited to P&L account and not to the P and appropriation account as usual as we do in other cases of partners capital account. Next, see the entries related to interest on partners loan account. Partners loan account first entry is interest on partners loan account debit to partners loan account, and for closing the interest on partners loan account entry is profit and loss account debit to interest on partners loan account. Students, for practice look at the example and the related solution where you will find all the entries and its solution. Now we will learn about interest on capital. Interest on capital, it's an appropriation of profit and is to be provided only if there are profits. That is, if there are no profits, that is in case of loss, these will not be provided, and it should be provided in partnership deed. Otherwise, interest on capital should not be provided. Now we will see the different cases. First case, when partnership deed is silent, as I have told you, it should not be allowed, यानी इसे हमने देना ही नहीं है. And for second case, if agreement provides for interest on capital, then we have three alternates. One, if there is a loss, it should not be provided. One, and if there are sufficient profits, interest on capital to be fully provided. And if there are insufficient profits, it should be proportionately allowed, that is to be allowed in the ratio of interest on capital. Now, the related illustration is given below. Students, read this illustration and practice it. Here you could see the solution along with, that is how we have calculated the interest on capital, which is reduced to 40,000 instead of profit of 48,000 as given to us. In this case, the interest on capital is divided in the ratio of interest of capital, which is 5:3. Second case, if it's a charge, then irrespective of the losses, we have to provide the whole interest on capital, which is for A, it's 30,000, and for B, it is 18,000, and there is a loss of 8,000. Then next topic is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is a very simple method, and students, you will always find one more question or 3 marks question on the topic in CBS examinations. We have two methods, that is product method and simple method. Product method's formula is given, that is total of product into rate of interest, which will be given the question, divided with 100. Then again it is to be divided with 12. 12 stands for 12 months of a year. Then usually we adopt the alternate method, it is also known as a simple method. Here certain conditions are to be kept in mind, that is drawings are to be equal and they are to be drawn in the beginning of every month or at the end of every month or during the year. We have first cases, when the drawings are made in the beginning of each year, the formula is 6.5 months. Then if drawings are to be made at the end of each month, the formula is as per 5.5 months, that is total drawings are to be multiplied with 5.5 months. And if drawings are made in the middle of each month, then the formula is total drawings multiplied with 6 months along with the rate of interest. The formula is already stated. Here we have related example. Look at the example. You are given interest on drawing 8%. Then I have solved only the first case. The remaining cases you can solve very easily, since the formula is given to you. Okay, like the example is related to if drawings are made in the beginning of every month, and the formula is 6.5, and if they are to be made at the end, the formula, as I've told you, it should be 5.5 months, and for the middle it should be 6 months, 6 divided with 12. Okay, you will find the answer. Okay students, this is all about the topics for today, and then here we are given certain assignments related to the topic. Answers are given, try to solve them. Okay, thank you.